Yes.
How does...
Do it again, Dad.
Inches apart.
Look, one?
Just drop them down.
Just throw them in there.
You drop those? Okay, come over here. There you go. More.
Oh wait, whoa, Beats. Okay, too much, too close, too many.
Dude, 3 inches
You
apart.
see what I'm saying?
3 inches apart. 3 inches
What
apart.
the... I don't... No, hold on.
Hold on.
Okay, just drop
How?
it.
But
Beats.
You said literally just drop them.
That's what.
Look here.
What's going on, my plant peoples? I am the ADHD gardener, where I use gardening, houseplants, and humor as a form of mental health therapy. And you already know I'm back at my sister's spot again. And in today's episode, it is all about planting, irrigation, and planting.
Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
Why don't you start from down, and then you go... You can find her on Facebook and Instagram.
Garden Man, what are we doing today?
Gosh. This came out of nowhere.
Where you going?
In back pain, yes.
Well, we're assessing the situation here. Okay, what needs to be fertigated or not?
Ooh, fertigated.
All right, we got some super steak tomatoes, and we have some black Krim tomato.
Ooh, those are good too.
Indeterminate, they're gonna go big. The Fred type.
Indeterminate?
Yes, these are, but not the Freds. The Freds are.
The Freds are,
tomatoes,
yeah.
which is great. Got some radicchio,
You love that stuff.
zinnias,
Oh man, I gotta plant my
Swiss
zinnias.
chard, serrano peppers that are not doing good.
I don't know, what is that?
Coffee creamers. Remember we used them to grow some other stuff last year?
I made a short down in the description.
Okay, well, these are what? Zucchinis. I lost track if they're yellow or green, but who cares? As long as we get something out of them. But anyway, I transplanted them into these containers to buy me some time.
It works, they look really good.
Good, yeah. So now we're gonna put them in the ground and see what happens.
You ready?
Get in
Erica's
there,
got a shovel.
And you, how many you got? 2, 4, 6.
Did you see that?
Put them at 1.5 feet apart, Erica.
1.5 foot. This was my charades. I said, what is... I said, where... I need this thing. And you're like, a shovel? I said, yeah. See? Oh!
Look, oh, look at that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I stick my hands in there.
All right.
Look at this poor, sad-looking tomato that I tried to plant. Look at this. Look at it. This
What?
is it. This is what I tried to plant. This little, sad little...
I'm gonna help you.
I think I want to say that I saw it.
I would bury, if it was me right now, because that stem is extra long, I would bury it up to those first leaves.
Yes. Because the tomatoes,
Should I just...
they will grow.
I think I saw something where you snip
Yeah.
the leaves off.
You don't even have to sometimes.
Yeah,
They
but
just
deeper,
kind
Erica.
of, yeah.
Deeper?
Yes. And then where's your, where's
It's right
your-
here.
Okay, good. I'm deeper.
I had it deeper than I thought against it.
No, because tomatoes will grow roots from their stem.
Yes.
So like that.
Yep.
You know, I saw a video where the lady said that your leaves should not touch the ground, the dirt, because it can give it all sorts of disease.
Oh, you're going to encounter the blight. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Let's pray that you don't. That looks fantastic. Look at you, little gardener. Gardener.
Well, Jackie,
Yes.
drip irrigation is going to help against the blight. Because you're not going to be watering. Erica, you're not going to be watering the foliage on these tomatoes at all, right?
Right. No, you're not.
It's a test. Everything is like
No,
a test. I
the-
don't know if it's a test. I'm supposed to just agree.
The blight is, you know, that fungal infection we're talking about. That one makes everything worse by the rain. If you water on top, it's like splashing the spores everywhere. So if you water from the bottom through irrigation, you reduce blight. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, you're making the hole next to the drip line.
Yes. Make sure you don't puncture that drip line. Okay? Look at all that clay. But it's getting there. It's getting there.
You
So-
see the clay, but it's not like a full chunk of clay.
So we're guessing 18 inches to 2 feet. We're not going to
Oh, bro, I planted all my tomatoes real close.
Yeah, that's always your problem.
No, well, it's not. It's called my space or lack thereof.
Well, you plant less. You'll go for...
Plant less. You crazy?
You always go for quantity rather than quality. Okay?
No, I would love quality. I just don't have the
You can't.
space.
Oh, sorry.
All right, whoa, this walkway is mad small.
It is. It is.
It's like a 1 foot.
And did you see her deck full of seedlings? Out of space already.
Oh, she needs to expand.
Already?
Oh, already.
No, we're gonna have to now do what you do. Is crowd everything.
You damn right.
And
You
the
damn
heck-
right.
and the heck with quality.
What? No, I care about quality.
We're gonna go with quantity. We're gonna jam everything up on top of each other.
Yo, but you have
Put
space.
this Bikram thingy. What does that say? Bilkum?
Black
Big
cream. Black
Oh,
cream.
that's what that's
Yeah, those are nice
Yes.
tomatoes. Mine got hit
Yes.
with blight.
Excuse me.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. You will, I noticed you're trying to get comfortable. You will learn after a while that you're gonna get dirty. Lots of dirty.
This is how I've been doing. This is how I've been surviving.
Make sure you don't cut that drip line.
Yes, I know. I'm aware.
Rookie.
Okay.
This is how I've been literally trying. All the chores that the tasks I've
You've
been
been
assigned
doing
with,
good. You're doing
I've been
surprisingly
doing
good.
it. Yes. I expect
and
no
that is
less.
Oh. You can hold the bottom. Yeah, go on the other side. Boy, you're stepping all over the valves and stuff. What are you doing? The big ass butt.
He does have a huge foot for a 10-year-old.
I saw a footprint in the garden, and I said,
Sasquatch.
"Let me see your foot." I said, "Yeah,
It's
that was,
you.
that was it."
It was Bigfoot. It was
Yo, I like this. This would be
Where do you
great.
think I got this from?
Haas Tools.
In the trellising department.
We are not sponsored by Haas Tools yet. Haas Tools, get at me. Man, how much was it?
Cheap. They're cheap.
Well, like cheap, like how much
As
cheap?
you city people say, mad cheap.
I'm mad cheap, yeah. I do. I do say that. That's
Well,
mad cheap.
I took this from my own garden since I'm selling, and I'm not gonna need it.
And where are you planning on going, people? No, you're leaving the country.
Well, only for the winter months. I'm gonna be a snowbird, God willing.
All right.
Go to Puerto Rico. And then I'll come back in the spring and go camp full time
All right.
at my favorite campsite.
Okay, you're wrapping this little small particular area because what are you planting here?
Cucumbers, and what is it, like a cantaloupe? No?
You know, it said cantaloupe.
So we question it.
Like I wrote cantaloupe,
Hold your thumb on this. Hold your thumb on this. I got some electrical tape.
but you know,
One will never really
I
know.
hope it's still cantaloupe.
All right.
All right, root down there. Right now, we're gonna go with just some side dressing, okay? And all I got, instead of doing the 20-20, I got some 10-10-10, okay? And that's just gonna have to do, okay?
Yep.
And then we'll probably do this a couple more times during the season. Then we're gonna mount all this dirt on top of them.
I just hilled my potatoes the other day.
Gotta cover them back up. Christian, keep covering them potatoes, boy. Get on your job. Get on your job. Start up there. Come on, you know what? Get a shovel instead. Get a shovel. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Ah, that boy. What am I gonna do with him, Jackie?
Free labor. Can't be biggie.
Ah, can't be too choosy with this labor.
All right, what are we doing here? Let's watch him.
Careful, Christian. Christian, I'll tell you what. Dig down. Look, my good man, here. Dig down from down here, look. Watch out, watch your foot. Dig down from here. And then put some on there carefully, all right? Look, maybe start at the base. You know what I mean?
There's so much extra.
Start at the
I'm
base.
doing it on this side.
Yes, you can start on that side. You know what I mean? You don't want to break the... we waited kind of long, Erica, also to bury these. So look.
Well,
start
you
at-
didn't wait too long. I
Okay,
mean,
look, we don't want to cascade it on top of it and crush it.
like you did that one?
No, we want to work it under. Maybe, possibly. Work it from underneath. As it builds up, this shovel is awful for that. Okay? Then we bury it. Oh,
Yeah, a little buried too much.
now we gotta bury it.
Well, bury the whole thing.
We have to bury the whole thing.
The leaves and everything?
Of course.
I didn't think you did that.
Huh?
I didn't bury my leaves.
You didn't?
No, I just buried the stem.
Oh, you gotta bury the whole thing. It'll come up in about 3 days. It'll come back up again.
Oh shit, I didn't know that.
Oh, that's
I
why
thought I was just burying the stems.
Come on, boy.
I gotta modify my video.
Got your foot. That technique. That's a good technique too.
Wow, I had no idea. Now I gotta go try that on my own.
Sure. What's up?
What if you had fields and fields of potatoes? You know how long that would take?
Then you would need horses double wheel hoe.
You got an answer for everything with us.
Oh boy.
I've actually like to do the shoveling now.
Baby boy, let's
My
go.
body's been hurting.
It's good exercise.
And I noticed when I was done with all the planting at that time, and I didn't have any more like really hard manual labor to do, I felt like I was getting
Soft.
soft again.
Watch this, Erica.
Wait.
Let's say this was a gallon of water with 1 tablespoon of 20-20-20 and 1 tablespoon of Micro Boost, right? Let's say you don't want to irrigate the whole thing with fertilizer, but check it out. You could do this, okay?
Ooh, that's smart.
You could do this, look. And this would have your nutrients that you would need, okay? And you would do that, look, give it a good soaking. That's pretty much the ratio that you would use. 1 tablespoon per gallon.
It doesn't even look like a lot, but we would think that it would be
Is
enough.
this good spacing or no?
That's
Yeah,
fine.
That's fine. We did not fertigate.
So
it.
that's not fertigation?
No, this was just an example.
All right, so can we just go back here real quick?
Yes.
How does
Do it again, Dad.
Just apart.
look one?
Just drop them down.
Just throw them in there.
You drop those? Okay, come over here. There you go. More-
Oh wait, whoa, Beats. Okay, too much, too close,
much,
too
too
close,
close.
too many.
Dude, 3 inches
You
apart.
see what I'm saying?
3 inches apart. 3 inches
What
apart.
the? I don't know. Hold on.
Hold on.
Okay, just drop
How?
the
but
Beats,
You
Beats.
said literally just drop them.
That's what.
Look here.
I said how many? How far?
All right.
You
look,
need,
drop 'em.
you need.
Just drop 'em in
Come
the
on.
ground.
You need 1 seed every like
Every
3
inches.
3 inches,
Every
3 to 4
That's
inches.
not what they said.
No, we did not. Yeah, that sounds fine.
For beets.
Why didn't you guys say that to begin with?
Because if you look at cilantro, see how this has a bunch of
No,
them?
I
That's
have,
okay.
I have video witness. You guys are my witness. That's not what they said. That's not what they said.
You know,
No, it's not.
Hoss has a T-shirt that says "Let the beat drop."
It is. That's cute. I like that.
All right, keep
Way
going.
to change the subject.
You like that?
Keep going. This is only water, so don't worry.
But yeah, but you're making
No, I'm making nice mud for you. I'm making mud for you.
you're pissing on me.
I'm moistening it for you.
Making that's
All right, let's get. Look, let's cover it up here. Put a label on it.
Oh wait, hold on. What?
Somebody severed the supply line.
Whoa!
So now when we are fertigating, look
It just started pulling up.
coming out like crazy.
Yes, we just turned it down, but there's a
I
hole
turned it off.
at
I had
the
it.
bottom.
But luckily, look.
Oh, because it was leaking right on in the walkways. That's why I was like, yo,
That's how we
should
can
should not be there.
But look, we had a row star valve. Now we
Wait,
got a
roast our valve?
Yes, they were just right here. Look, we was able to.
Oh, you
Row-
mean close the valve?
No, row, line, valve, row start. This is a row start.
Oh,
valve.
roast start.
So we was able to cut it off and save all the fertilizer. Now we got to cut that line and put a coupling in there. I'll be right back, Erica.
I don't even know how that thing got cut because we didn't really get anywhere near it.
It does happen. It definitely does. An accident or something.
Oh my goodness, it's my time to shine.
It is.
My training has come for this very moment.
You've been trailing all of your life.
Oh no.
We backtrack them both all the way. Cut one side and remove approximately maybe 2 inches. So cut it and cut 2 inches off. Wait, find the leak first. Pressure's on. You want me to put it on temporarily while you find the leak? So you can cut it at the leak.
That would be advised.
Cut it at the leak. Ready?
You turn it on, we find it,
think
and
it's
then
Lift it up a little bit so you can see where the leak is.
Yeah, it is here.
where? Hold on for video.
Lift it up.
Ooh. Let me see. Ooh. Yep.
Oh, what in my undies? Hold on.
Okay.
Now it looks like I peed my pants. You're not
Yeah.
cool unless you pee your pants.
Don't cut too much off because wait,
I know.
wait, you let mud get in there.
Oh,
Okay,
man.
good. We'll lift it up. Lift it
Wait,
up.
but I didn't cut 2 inches. I only cut an
Wait a
inch.
minute. Okay,
one
do
at a
one side.
time.
Yes. Wait. Do that one.
Here, hold on.
Do that one.
Oh, do this one. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
I'm glad I had enough battery life for this. Wow, that was a good thing to order that piece because I totally didn't on mine, and I wound up struggling on that.
Everything.
That's smart.
Which way? Oh, there we go.
That's one thing that's really good. Once
Okay,
you get
now,
your
wait a
irrigation
minute.
started,
Lay it,
you
lay
should
it.
totally definitely test it out
See what I mean?
because stuff
See
like
what I
this
mean?
will
Right
happen.
here. Can't get it there.
There you go.
You little bum.
Oh, that was good.
A little short, maybe.
It was.
No, it's not short. It's just that it's. I gotta shove it in there.
Ready?
All right, try it.
Go
now.
for it.
Let it flow.
Sweet Caroline.
All right,
we're
that
back in
worked.
business.
That was like on the fly. It's a good thing we checked it, all right? This is why you check everything.
Well, I'm glad that actually worked out. Stay tuned for the next episode where we check out how are those plants doing. What worked out great, what didn't work out, and did that soil just cramp our style? Stay tuned for the next episode where you and me both are going to be growing our happiness one plant at a time, one day at a time. I'll check y'all later in the next episode. Peace and love.